or welcome back to my channel. My name is Saran and I love to make vlogs, videos, whole videos, everything on my channel. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe and let's begin the video. And today's video is going to be a Miniso haul. Miniso is a Japanese brand and I love their collection of home essentials, kitchen essentials, stationery, Miniso plushies, everything. I love their collection. So this time I went with my mom and I got few things for home. So yeah, let's get started with the products. So let's start the video. I have all the products with me. For the very first thing I bought is this Miniso scent candle in the flavor vanilla latte. So this is in the inkjet series. So that's how the packaging looks like, and I'm just gonna open it from here. So let me just show you. That's how packaging looks like, and this is the candle. So that's how the candle looks like. In the back they have written imported plant essence, and in the front they have written vanilla latte scent candle. So I really love how cute this candle is, and let me just, oh my god, this is literally my type. The fragrance of this is so refreshing and calming. It is not too strong and not too mild. It is subtle, and this will make your room look very refreshing, calming. So I am looking forward to try more candles. So this is my first candle and this is from Miniso. So price for this one is rupees 190, and at rupees 190 I think this is an amazing candle at a pocket friendly price. So let's move on to the next product. Second thing I bought is this 3-pack tissue paper. So we have already started using the one. So that's how the packaging looks like. So this is pack of 3 4S family tissue paper. The quality of this tissue paper is so good and we use it for like face. And price for this 3-pack tissue paper is rupees 190, and for 190 3 packs, and I think it's amazing. So yeah, for the quality and softness I am already a fan of Miniso. So yeah. And the next thing is my all-time favorite, that is Miniso cotton pads. So these are so soft and gentle for the skin. I always use these cotton pads. It has total 225 cotton pads in it, and this is for rupees 250, and I really love this quality and my mom got this for herself. So the next thing I got is this rectangular basket in the color blue. I hope you can see the color and the pattern of this. I really love this. The quality of this basket is amazing. The plastic is not like a cheap quality, so the quality of this is amazing. So this is multi-purpose basket to keep your home essentials and kitchen essentials, whatever. You can also use in your bathroom to keep the things in like a proper manner, to arrange the things. So I got this for keeping my skincare products arranged in this. The price for this amazing quality basket is rupees 90, and for rupees 90 this quality is amazing. The color is so good, the quality is so good, and for rupees 90 this is amazing. So the next thing is this sewing kit or sewing box. So it is also in the color blue. This is compact sewing kit or sewing box. One should have it for sure for like hand sewing emergency or daily sewing, and also for like missing buttons or any other emergency you need this. My mom bought this months ago and I thought just to add this one in this video cause this box is superb and the quality is so good, and you also got reels or threads inside it, needle box and other necessary tools inside here. The only thing is that the thread quality in this is not good, but this compact box is so good to keep all the things in this one box. So yeah. So the next thing is this big rectangular basket. It is white in color. It has this rough or marble kind of look. It is quite big and spacious. This is quite big and spacious. This plastic is of high quality and really hard. We can use this for like multi-purpose storage need. You can also store your clothes inside this, like socks, innerwears, and I personally got this one to keep all my craft supplies in this one, like paint brushes, all the paints and all the other craft material. So yeah, I really like this box, and the price for this basket is rupees 200. So let's move on to the next product. So the next product is this We Bear planner or mood recorder. So this is how it looks. It's so cute. In the front it has this pocket to keep the knots here. So yeah, so that's how the all pages look like. They have mentioned here that it is a mood recorder. They have given the emojis for different mood. Here they have mentioned weather, mood, different mood and date here. So my sister used it as a planner. She wrote her tasks here. They have also given day, week, month, year and the title. That's how the all pages in the planner or diary looks like. You can see. For gifting purpose also, I think it's a really good option, and I just don't remember the price for this one. I think it's around 200 or something. So the next thing my sister bought is this Jazz Free of Prejudice Eau de Toilette perfume. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I just don't know how to pronounce this. So that's how the packaging looks like. I don't have any expectations from this one, so let's just open it. Oh, I got this from inside. Surprise voucher of rupees 50. You get voucher worth rupees 50. Surprise gift from Miniso. Oh, I feel so lucky I won rupees 50. So moving on to the perfume, that's how it looks like. So my sister got this perfume, so this rupees 50 goes to her. Congratulations, Jasmine. So the bottle is so cool and so good. Look at this. Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. It's not very good, but it's good. Strong. It's not mild, but not so strong, but it's slightly strong. Price for this one is rupees 360. I really like the fragrance, so it is good. I definitely recommend this one. So the next product is my favorite. Let me show you. So this is the next product. How cute. This is hanging organizer, 8 compartment hanging organizer. From the back it looks like this, and from the front it has this floral print on it. The pockets are not small, they have like huge capacity to store things. Miniso is known for their organizer, and their organizer quality is amazing. They never fails to impress me. Look at this, how aesthetic and cute it is. So the material is like a khadi kind of, and it's so hard and sturdy. It's not a cloth material, it also has the feel of plastic in it. So this product is so amazing to keep the important stuff in the pocket. So my mom got this one to keep important bills and other stuff in these pockets. So the price for this organizer is only rupees 250, and in 250 the quality is so good. I definitely recommend this product. This is so amazing. The storage pockets are very cute, and you can hang it in bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, wherever you want. You can also store jewelry, glasses envelopes and important stuff, masks, etc. all in these pockets. I just loved it. No doubt it is very aesthetic and cute, but also very useful product. I just spray that perfume twice or thrice, and now I'm just getting headache. So I think it's so strong for me that is literally giving me headache now. And the last thing I'm gonna add in this video is this Miniso plushie. This is so cute and so soft, and it's been month we are using this cute little plushie. This is Folivera. I don't know the name. Yeah, this is adorable Folivera. So this one is for rupees 639, and it's been months we are using this, and the quality is just amazing, and this is so soft, and this is such an amazing gift idea also. And it's been months we have bought this, and this quality of plushie is so good, and I just loved it. So yeah, that's it for Miniso video. I really enjoyed making these kinds of videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the good things, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Bye bye.